What's up? What's up? What's up? Alright, I'm about to go check on the yard of a rental house. Or there's a tenant in there right now, but I'm just gonna drive by and make sure the grass looks good, because that's one thing that I take care of is the lawn. I don't mow the lawn, but I make sure that the grass stays cut and everything. So gonna go drive by, make sure everything looks good, and then yeah, I know I need to get some gas in the car, so I'll just leave it at that. We'll see what happens. Gotta say, I'm really enjoying this car. I mean, I've been thinking, I can't tell you how many like minutes I probably spend thinking about like what kind of splitter I want to put on it, because everything I find is it's like Alibaba or AliExpress, and it's stuff that's like, yeah, it's like carbon fiber and it's kind of cool, but it's not like track cool, right? Like I want to put something that could be actually functional on the track, and I want to do something also that I can make myself that not everyone's gonna have. So I'm still really thinking of ways I could utilize aluminum or some type of plastic, like a quality plastic that I can make a rear diffuser and a front splitter that would be, you know, like I can use. I have a pneumatic rivet gun. I mean, I have a shop with a ton of tools in it, more than enough tools to get the job done that I want to do for this car. I know one thing I need to do is probably protect the front, and I need to get the car washed. But today I was looking at tires. I really like the way the GT3, like the Mercedes track cars are set up. And if you're not familiar, like if you ever go to the track where I have Barber Motorsports next to me, and I'm actually going this Sunday to do a little time attack, or to do what's it called? Let me see. just the cones. I'm not going actually out on the track. I'm just going to do the cones, but I'm going to film that. That'll be Sunday. But these cars with the competition tires and wheels, usually the track versions run 18-inch wheels or 19-inch wheels. Where I have 20s on the back with Michelin Pilot cups and then 19s on the front, where a lot of people on the track will have 19s on the back or 18s on the front, or they'll have 18s or 19s all the way around, and they'll run a tire like a Federal or like a Nito or a Toyo, something, or a Goodyear. It might not be like a full slick, but they'll run something that's like a 325 40 by 19, which is a nice beefy fat tire with like, it's not something you would want to drive in the rain. So like the version, I know the track version of this car that you can get, they actually have the black series. It's like $400,000, and it's just a track only car, but it's 18-inch wheels all the way around, and it runs like 335 40s in the back, or 335 45 like R19 or R18, which is a huge fat tire. Those are the tires that you see like the Michelin decals on, and you see people racing Le Mans, and God, this person's really riding my ass. Golly, it's not like they have anywhere to be. It's a red light, so what's the point of riding my ass? I don't understand that. Why ride someone's ass up to a red light? Doesn't make